Hey guys, so in just a moment, Robin's going to come in here and show you step by step how to set everything up so you can use BNB with your Metamask wallet, which allows you to interact with all the opportunities out there coming up in the cryptocurrency industry that require BNB. That's on the Binance Smart Chain network. So this was all new to me recently. It may be new to you as well. You might only be used to using Ethereum, right? Well, Ethereum is just one network. And as a lot of you know, at least right now, the gas fees, the transaction fees with Ethereum is really, really high, not with BNB. So there'll be a lot of smart contracts, a lot of opportunities that use BNB instead of Ethereum to do transactions. So you're going to want to get your MetaMask wallet set up on the Binance Smart Chain network so you can take advantage of a lot of these opportunities. So this is step one, the first step. Robin's going to show you how to set up your MetaMask wallet so you have the Binance Smart Chain on there, and that's the first step to being able to get BNB there. There's more steps. This is the first one. She's going to walk you through it.
All right, here we are at step one. If you did not already watch the video above under the here's your step-by-step getting started with DeFi. If you didn't watch this intro video, please do that now before you move forward. Again, don't go to your referrer's affiliate link until the very last step. And also be sure you are on your device that has the MetaMask extension. Likely that's Google Chrome. So we're in step number one now, and this is where we are setting up your MetaMask Binance Smart Chain network inside of MetaMask. It's a very simple step. Some of you may already have done this, and if so, please continue on to the next video. What we're going to do is we are going to go over to MetaMask, and it's right up here in our extension in Google Chrome. Okay, so what you're going to see here is it says BNB Smart Chain because I had set this up already. So when you click this area here, the drop down, it has networks. Typically, it's going to be on the Ethereum mainnet, and you're going to see it goes to 0 because you're going to need to refresh the page. And then when we go back to MetaMask and the Ethereum network, it should bring us back. Here it is to what we have in our MetaMask wallets with the Ethereum mainnet. And this is typically what we'll have, the Ethereum mainnet under networks. Now, one of the things we're going to do, and you can do this in a couple of different ways, you can click on the avatar circle here, click on settings, scroll down and click networks, and then add a network. That's one way. Another way is in this area here, you can click custom RPC, and it takes you right there. So there's two ways to get to this step. The information that you need is also right here on this web page here. And so again, we're going to click on the Fox. It's going to have this drop down, and we're going to click either on this central area and custom RPC, or we click the avatar, settings, scroll down, networks, add network. So I just want to let you know there are just different ways to get there. So we have network name, and we are going to just follow along here with network name, BNB Smart Chain Network, BNB Smart Chain Network. The chain underneath, it's the new RPC URL, and that's going to be this one here, bsc-dataseed.binance.org. It's already in my list of networks. It's already telling me that, right? So it's not going to want me to add it again. I'm just following along here with you guys. Chain ID is going to be 56. Currency symbol is BNB. That's what we're importing. And then the block explorer URL, we're going to have this one here, the BSC Binance Smart Chain scan.com, and then you are going to click save, and then you're going to see the network. So then when that is created, you're then going to click this area here and scroll down to your BNB Smart Chain network and select that. And you also need to make sure that you're creating a different account. So you're going to click plus create account, and you're going to create a new account. You can call this BNB network. You can call it, which we're going to be using for peak BNB. You can call it whatever you want, and then you're going to click create. Okay, so I want to make sure that you name it, that you click on the avatar. So you click first on the BNB Smart Chain Network that you just created. Then you click the avatar and you want to create a new account. And then again, I named mine Peak BNB. And then this is going to be my new address. And I just copied it here. So I'm going to click on the BNB Smart Chain Network. Again, I created a new account, which is called Peak BNB for my new Peak BNB setup here. And I'm going to actually copy my new wallet address, okay? And then when I paste it, I'm going to just save it here for me for later. It's my Peak BNB wallet inside of Metamask, and it's under the BNB Smart Chain Network, and that's what we're going to do. We're going to send ourselves BNB to Metamask through the BNB Smart Chain in our new account that we just created here in our wallet underneath the BNB Smart Chain. So be sure that you switch from the Ethereum mainnet to the BNB Smart Chain. So now we are all set up, and what we're going to do is we are going to move on to the next step once you have this all set up. So again, just to recap here, we went in to create a custom RPC. We created the network, the BNB Smart Chain Network, okay? We selected that. And then after we selected that, we went to the avatar, clicked create an account, and we created our own account for Peak BNB. That's what I named it. Again, you can name it what you want. And then I copied the address, the wallet address, and pasted it for myself here, and just made a note and named it for myself, Peak BNB, and that's where we're going to send our BNB moving forward. And there are a couple more steps involved before we stake our Peak and get access to Peak, but I just wanted to make sure that we covered this step. So now you have your BNB Smart Chain Network in MetaMask, and now you are able and capable of receiving BNB into your MetaMask wallet and hooking that up to start working in the BNB networks. All right, let's go on to the next step.